Hey everybody, and welcome to Weight Loss Wednesday. I'm Chef AJ, the author of Unprocessed and the Secrets to Ultimate Weight Loss, and the soon-to-be released Own Your Health. And this is where I show you recipes for healthy, permanent, and sustainable weight loss. And today's recipe will be from my upcoming book with Glenn Mercer called Own Your Health. I wasn't going to do this yet because the book's not out, but I posted a photo of Instagram and people were begging me for the recipe for my Hollandaise sauce. Now, if you know anything about French cuisine, Hollandaise is one of 5 mother sauces, but it's really high in fat, made from animal products. It usually has butter and cream and egg yolks, and it's just a disaster for your health and your waistline. But I make one that's really low in fat but full in flavor with 7 ingredients or less. That's what I really shoot for in my recipe, 7 ingredients or less. This is delicious on everything, even potatoes, but I especially like it over grilled asparagus. It's also great over steamed broccoli. So first, how do we grill the perfect asparagus? Well, I don't own a barbecue grill indoors or out, but I have this pretty cool tool for Tupperware that does allow you to grill in your microwave that I often use, or what I usually do is just buy the grilled asparagus at Trader Joe's in the freezer. It's delicious, it has nothing added, and you can see how perfect it is. Even when I don't make the Hollandaise sauce, I love to eat this as one of my vegetables for breakfast. So you start with a blender. It's best to have a high-powered blender because you want to have the Hollandaise sauce hot. In the high-powered blender, if you let it run a few minutes, will make the sauce hot. So I'm going to be starting with my non-dairy milk. You want to get an unsweetened one because it is a sauce, a savory sauce. Lemon juice. My Yukon Gold potatoes. These are cooked. I steamed these in the Instant Pot for 5 minutes. And my spices. Now, if you ever watch me, you know that since day one, I've been teaching cooking for 20 years. I've always had my spices measured for recipes that I make over and over. It just makes it a lot easier. And so now I'm going to blend. Now, this is thick and creamy and delicious as if it had egg yolks, butter, and cream in it. Now, if you can't eat potatoes for some reason, I'll give you a variation using cauliflower, and it's just as delicious. And this is how I steam my cauliflower for 1 minute in my 8-quart Instant Pot. That's why you need the big one, so you can be doing big jobs like this. And of course, I would want this hot, but I'm not going to let the blender run for 3 minutes now. And this is just so, you can see how thick it is, and you can just pour it over. And the truth is it's so low in fat and low in calories, you can have the whole blender if you wanted. It's so good. I hope you'll make this recipe. I hope you'll try it, and if you try it, I sure hope you'll like it. Anyway, I make it either with potatoes or with cauliflower, depending on what I have. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy, there you have it, grilled asparagus with Hollandaise sauce. Thanks so much for watching another episode of Weight Loss Wednesday. I'm Chef AJ, and I truly believe you can have both the health and the body that you so richly deserve, and I try to make it taste delicious. Take care now. Bye-bye.